Hello friends, BMW 3 Series 2026. The BMW 3 Series got a restyling in 2022 and now BMW is testing prototypes of a new generation which will be quite different from the previous ones. And already now we can see how the car might look like. The design of 3 Series will be in a brand new style called Neue Klasse. The car will get a new headlights, grille and door handles will be made retractable like in the new BMW iX3. The new 3 Series will be with two platforms variants, the current CLAR with conventional engines and an all-electric version. The new BMW 3 Series is expected to premiere in 2026. Write in the comments, do you like the new BMW design? Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.